Step 3, verifying that the correct software has been downloaded and installed for Barcode Logic's StockLink system. Either press on the Start button and look for the Barcode Logic StockLink icon. Otherwise, if it's not there, then type in StockLink into your search bar. Once you can see the StockLink app icon, click on that. The software will open. The version that we're looking at here is StockLink 2.7.2. However, there could be a later version available and you could check that on the website. To completely verify, we'll go to Help and the About button and check that it is correct. So this is StockLink version 2.7.2 in this case, and it's running on a Windows 10 machine. So this is correct. The second part is to correct that the mobile device center is connected and installed correctly, which is the software that links the barcode scanner to the PC. So again, you can click on the Start menu and find it through there, or alternatively, once again, type into your search. Once it comes up, it's the Windows Mobile Device Center app, and we click on that and it's running correctly. At the moment, it's saying it's not connected, but once we get to the part where we turn on the scanner, then it will connect. There is nothing else that you need to do here. You can just close it, minimize it, or whatever. Once you turn on the scanner, it will wake up, it will make a happy sound and say it's connecting, and we can check, and the Windows Mobile Device Center has acknowledged that the scanner has connected to the PC. So all of those are working correctly. So now we have finished verifying that the software that's been downloaded and installed is correct and running correctly to use the Barcode Logic StockLink system.